Hi, my lesson is going to be over fractions at the second grade level. We're going to be doing a group exercise that helps them understand the concept of one whole and dividing things into halves, fourths, and eighths. And we're going to be using pizza, pretend pizza, as an example. To kind of do a fun group exercise and see it visually. So I'm going to do the explanation portion of my lesson plan, which is where we actually use the pizza and go from there. So, okay, class, I'm going to say here. So here we have one pizza. So this we would call one whole. This whole pizza, or all of the pieces of pizza, make up one whole pizza. So one whole. So for one whole, we're going to write 1. Now, if we were to eat half of the pizza, first we would count how many slices we have. So all the students would have their own example here. So we would say, okay, so everybody, let's count how many slices of pizza we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of 8 is 4, so we're going to remove 4. And they would either, like automatically know that 4 is half of 8, or they would be able to just visualize that half the pizza, they could take away half of it. So then we would go over, now we have 4, and you can see we have half of the pizza missing. So then we're going to get my marker. We're going to say 1/2 looks like this. And this is what we call a fraction. So it's only part of the one whole. So now we only have part of a pizza. So that's 1/2. All right, so now we're going to put all of our pieces back. And now we're going to go over 1/4. And we're going to say how can we split this one whole pizza into 4 parts? So we can draw a cross on the circle pizza, and each section is a 1/4. So if we eat 1/4, we're going to take off 2 pieces. And then we have 3/4 of the pizza left. So our equal parts is going to be the bottom number of the fraction. That's how many parts are making up the one whole. And we ate 1/4. So our fraction is going to look like this. That's how much pizza we ate. And so anyways, then we would go on and do 1/8. And we would obviously go a little slower and make sure the class is understanding and grasping the concept. And they would all be doing it together and working together. So it would be a lot more fun with students actually here. But that would be the gist of the exercise, is using the example. And I think another way to make it fun would be before you even start, let me grab my pizza. There wasn't a ton of effort put into this pizza, but with better crafts and materials, I think it would be fun to, before you start the exercise, have students design their own pizza and let them cut their own pieces of construction paper, so that they have all of their pieces ready to go for the exercise, and then do it, and hopefully they would understand. So that's my lesson.